everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I am so excited to open this up. My husband said it came, but then we lost where it got put with the shelter in place and all the cleaning. And so when I found it the other night, I was just, oh my gosh, I gotta do this. And so I needed to wait because I was working and everything. I needed to wait for the opportunity for me to be able to open it on camera. All right, so I spend way too much with Diamond Art Club, and so I am a Diamond member. And one of the things that Diamond Art Club does, just a second, I'm putting this in my trash. Woo. One of the things that Diamond Art Club does is they say thank you to those who you know, use their money. And so one of the things they did for a thank you is they sent 4 different things that you could choose from as a gift to their Diamond members for the year. And so I chose a pen, and because I have a lot of tote bags, even though they were super cute. I have a lot of washi tape, even though it was super cute. And I can't remember what the other thing was. And then there was this. And so it comes in a beautiful pink thing. And I believe you can purchase these on their site as well. And I chose the blue to add to my pen collection. So this is a blue sparkle pen. And it actually, the sparkle outshines, but it's supposed to, which it does, but I don't know if you can see it right there. It shows up better, I think, on the pink one. They have a pink, a light blue, and then this one, it says Diamond Art Club. So I'm super excited to have this. I'm gonna put it with my pen collection, and I'm so excited. So I have this one, and I have a pink one from somebody else that I'm gonna start using on my videos. But yeah, definitely check out Diamond Art Club. I have a 15% off link down below if you wanna go check out this pen and get one for yourself. They have several different colors. I don't get anything really from the link. I don't use any codes or anything like that, but I want to offer it to you guys. So thank you so much. I love you all, and take care. Until next time, be blessed. Bye-bye.